Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And in this series, we are making a number of YouTube videos on various softwares. And we are also open for our live online classes. So if you want to take professional training from us, then you can find the details in the description box, and also you can find the Google form link through which you can register for the classes, and our team will give you a call. Now let's come to today's video. What we are going to learn today? Today we will learn how you can import the DXF file in Tekla structures. But before starting, we must understand why do we need to learn this. Before modeling in Tekla structures, you need grid lines, and not just the grid lines, the perfect arrangement of the grid lines. Now, what do you mean by perfect arrangement? So, if you are working on any architectural plan, you have the center line of that architectural plan. And if your grid line is perfectly overlapping on the center line of your architectural plan, then that is a perfect arrangement of your grid lines. So, how you can do this, that we are going to learn in this video. So in this video, I will not only show you how you can import the DXF file to Tekla structures, but I will also show you how you can arrange the grid lines on your architectural plan. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, let's have a look at your final result. So I have already imported this architectural plan, and I have made the grid lines perfectly over the center line of this architectural plan. Now, let's learn how you can do this. So I will open a new file. So this is our new file, and you can modify these grid lines by just entering the values over here, or you can also modify it by deleting the values. So I have already covered this point in my previous videos. So if you want to know how we can do that, then you can watch my previous videos. Now, today we are going to learn how you can import the DXF file. So for that, you need to go to File and then click on Import. Choose DWG or DXF. From here, you can browse the file where you have kept in your laptop. So I will choose the DXF file, and then here I will choose for reference lines and click on Import. So you can see my 2D plan has been imported. Now I can change the color of this 2D plan by selecting it and choosing the color I want. Now I will go to the top view by hitting Ctrl plus P on my keyboard, and then I will select my center lines and change the color of my center lines so that I can easily differentiate between the architectural plan and the center line. Now I will choose my architectural plan and move it. But you can see I can't find the endpoint over here. So I will have to do some modifications. So I will just choose this line and drag it over here. Now, if I will choose my architectural plan and try to move it, then I will find the endpoint over here, and I will select it and just move it. So now you can see that this line is perfectly overlapping over the grid line. Now all we need to do is to find the distance between all these center lines. For that, we can go to edit and then go to measure, and from there choose horizontal distance. So you can see I have all my horizontal distances over here. Similarly, I will go to measure and choose for vertical distance and measure my vertical units. From here, you can see that you have all the vertical distances. Now, all you need to do is to click on the grid lines and then modify these distances. So I have already noted these distances previously, so I will just paste it over here. So I have entered all the values over here. So you can see all my center lines are perfectly aligned with my grid lines. So this is how you can import the DXF file in Tekla Structures, and you can modify your grid lines according to your need. So that was all for today. If you want me to make videos on any particular topic in Tekla Structures, then you can comment in the comment section. If you want to join our classes, then you can find the details in the description box. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.